Does your child resist homework every single evening? Stay up scrolling until midnight? Leave clothes on the floor? Forget their bag? Lose focus the moment they sit down to study? You've tried reminders, you've tried consequences, you've tried the reward chart, and nothing sticks. Here's what the science actually says. This is not a willpower problem, it's a design problem, and in this course, you'll learn exactly how to fix it. After this course, you'll know how to read any behavior and understand what's actually driving it. You'll know how to redesign your home so good habits happen automatically, without battles. You'll understand why your child can't focus after school, why they won't sleep, and what to do about both. And you'll have a clear evidence-based toolkit you can start using this week. The course covers 7 lessons: how habits actually form in the brain, why routines regulate your child's nervous system, the science of sleep, nutrition and movement, how to build real focus, how to understand behavior using the ABC framework, and how to design your home environment as your most powerful parenting tool. Everything grounded in psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral science, explained in plain language. This course is for parents of children and teenagers who are exhausted by the same daily battles: mornings, homework, screens, bedtime. Parents who want to stop reacting and start understanding. Parents who know something needs to change but aren't sure where to start. If that's you, this course was built for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Barbara Wong, the founder of Flourish Design Academy and the creator of the Flourish Parenting System. I'm specialized in behavior science and positive psychology. I designed this course for parents who want their child to build real, lasting habits. More focus, better sleep, less resistance, more peace at home. Not through pressure or punishment, through understanding how behavior actually works, and designing a daily life where flourishing becomes the path of least resistance. Enroll now or explore the free preview lessons to see if this is the right fit. Your child's daily life can look different. I hope to see you in the course. Let's start designing it.